Hey Spices, it is a beautiful day and I get to do one of my favorite hobbies, smoking meat. Today we are smoking bratwurst. My smoker has reached 225 degrees. I'm going to try to keep it at that temperature to do the normal low and slow smoking. Now, I got my bratwurst at my local meat shop. They're fresh and they really have a more quality of meat. Plus, I paid $4.50 a pound. Great deal. So check out your local market and see what kind of brats they got. I've heard of people using hickory wood, but today I'm using my apple. I prune these every February, let them dry out for at least 6 months, and then I use them to smoke. Great way to use the apple wood. My brats are on, smoke is coming. I'm hoping in 2 hours these will reach a temperature of 160 degrees. And then all the hard work pays off. I get to enjoy these smoked brats. If you noticed, I also set them to the left. My side barrel is on the right, where my coals and wood are. I am making sure that just in case there's a flame up in the side or it gets really hot, that my skins on the brats aren't going to burst. I need to keep those intact. Those will keep the juices and amazing pork flavor inside. It's interesting, there's kind of two camps of smokers. Some people say soak the wood. You don't want it to flame up, it creates more smoke. Others say the thin blue smoke of dry wood, not soaked wood, is a better flavor, less impurities, and I've experimented with both ways. I really can't tell a difference taste-wise, but I think the evidence is stronger in that soaking the wood adds impurities. You get a lot of moisture from the evaporation of the water. A lot of the smoke that you see coming out of the chimney is evaporation instead of that wood smoking. So today we're going dry wood. I've got it in my side barrel. I'll be adding it throughout the cooking, anywhere from 30 minutes to every hour until the sausages reach the temperature. One of the reasons I like smoking meat is because of the challenge. Regulating airflow, regulating when to put coals on, the recipes for rubs, all the types of meat that you can do. It is such an amazing experience working with all those things to try to get a great product at the end. The smell of this apple wood billowing out of this amazing old-fashioned side barrel smoker is amazing. The flavors that get into the meat from this is amazing. I'm so excited to bite into this tender meat. Here's my digital thermometer doing its work.
Sausages look beautiful. Alright, so in a crock pot, what we have here is some au jus. And now you want to take a can of beer and pour it in. So that is an au jus beer mixture. And it's preferably if you use dark beer, but really any beer you happen to have on hand works great. So we are going to make sure the beer heats up as well as the au jus, so we can put our sausages in it.
Cool thing about our thermometer is it beeps when it reaches temperature. We're gonna put them in the beer au jus. After a little bit longer, they'll be ready to eat.
All right, after at least an hour, if you can see, they have kind of darkened because they have really soaked into the au jus beer sauce. And they are done and ready to eat.